never seen the Lord disappointing me. I have never seen the Lord disappointing me. Your word is yes. Your word is amen. I have never seen the Lord disappointing me. Mi ò rí Ọlọ́run kó disappointing ti ẹ̀rí. I have never seen the Lord disappointing me. Can we stop that? I have never seen the Lord disappointing me. Why are you let me alone? Your